the one and only, Larry Lane.
Hey Tim, thank you so much. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I'm here. You're really great. You sound great, bro.
Good. I'm glad to be here. I'm excited. I know we've got a great team, and you guys and Regina, I know you are doing some wonderful things. So I know you have got some questions for me. So I'm ready to roll whenever you guys are. Thank you.
Larry Regina, she said, first of all, she want to thank you because you are not just great leader, you're not just great mentor, also you are doing the great support for them because she have your contacts on WhatsApp and every time she can communicate with you and she really appreciate all your help which you're doing for the her structure erfolgreich zusammen. So she want to tell you thank you for the everything you're doing for them.
Absolutely. And, thank her. I love great teams and teams that are building. So I'm always available and I'm always there to support. So anything y'all need, I'm here for you.
Yes, Larry, we will right now ask you some question. And the first question from the hour structure, a lot of the guys, they was trying to find the best question for you. And the first question from us, why you decide to join BeEpic? Because a lot of the different companies, why you decide to join exactly in the BeEpic?
Yeah, absolutely. And we're a little over 2 years in the business. And I think my main decision was, I've known Eric Caparisi for well over 10 years. Eric's our CEO. And I've done a lot of things with him through the years. And he showed me BeEpic before it ever started. And I really liked the product line. It was just one product, the Elev8. I liked it was simple. I love working with global teams. So I also like the price point. And I like the compensation plan. I love the car bonus. So I guess the main reason would be Eric, but then I also love the product and the comp plan. Everything was very simple, even for the global markets.
Larry, the second question is how long you're in the network marketing?
Oh, I've been network marketing for about almost 30 years. My dad was a network marketer. And I mean, I learned when I was 10 years old, I'd go to the hotel meetings and just learn from my dad. So even helping him with mail outs and stuff, I've been doing it since I was 10 years old. So almost 30 years now. So.
Yes, Larry, the next question is, do you remember your first network marketing company, how that was started? Like after which period of time you understand that the network marketing is yours?
Yeah, absolutely. I think my first network marketing company was with my dad, and I think it was actually Metaluca. And my dad was in it, but I would help him with mail outs and stuff. And he gave me like a weekly little commission. I don't know, it was probably $100. I was underpaid back then because I was living in his house. But yeah, I remember that's how I got started. And I just love the fact that my dad would go to the hotel meetings and talk to 300 or 400 people, and I would watch him in front of the room, and I was like, this is something I want to do. And then later, when I got older, we started working companies together through the years until he passed away in 2016. So
Yes, Larry, we're really sorry that your dad is passed in 2016.
oh, thank you so much for that.
Larry, the next question, like, what did you feel when you earned your first 1,000 US dollar?
Oh, it felt great. Because I remember, like, like a lot of people, you just sometimes you're doing it and you're like, gosh, I'm not making any money. I feel like I'm putting a lot of time into it. So when you really start to make that first amount of money, you get the confidence, like I can do this. And it feels good to know that it starts to come residual and you're like, wow, I can just build it and build it and build it. So it's a really good feeling when you get with the right company.
Larry, the next question is, what kind of the skills we should have to be successful in BeEpic? And if for some reason we don't have them right now, so how we can get that skills to be successful in BeEpic? Because you're really successful in the BeEpic and we also want to do the same.
Yeah, absolutely. I think one of the main things that I do is when I'm talking to somebody, just kind of listen to them, because I think within a couple of minutes of talking to somebody, they're going to let you know their why. And if, they need to pay their bills, well, their why is leaning a little bit more to money. If they're having bad health issues, then you want to lean more to the product. But I think at BeEpic, we've got both are so solid, because I feel if someone takes the product and they feel great, they're going to reorder it. Or if someone tries to start sharing the product and they start making a little bit of money, they're going to always, share it with more people. So we've got two strong things in our product and comp plan. But I think my secret is just listen to people and they'll tell you within 2 minutes exactly what they need from you. And we've got it at BeEpic.
Yes, Larry, the next question is, does your family or friends support you in the network marketing, exactly in the BeEpic?
Yes, I have an identical twin, so he definitely supports me. We live in Los Angeles, so a lot of the stuff that he does doesn't make us money, So a lot of the stuff that I do makes money and helps fund, living in Los Angeles. So he's very supportive. And I also help my mom. That's my big why, is to help my mom, especially since my dad passed away. So she's always been supportive because, my dad was a networker for 45 years right up until he passed. So she knows network marketing as well. So yeah, my family loves it and we've done really well, and it's helped us a lot.
Larry wants to know how the people in United States of America, they treat network marketing and what they talk about the BeEpic.
Absolutely. We've got some really good teams in the USA, but I'm going to be honest, our biggest markets are, Russia, Peru, Europe, Canada. So I think sometimes in the US, honestly, people can get lazy. They kind of want to, make money for not doing a lot of work. So, here in the US, it is picking up, but probably the US market is probably fifth in all of BeEpic, behind some really big markets. So, but we do have some good teams. We've got a lot of people that love the product. We've actually got a lot of people that are, retailing the product for resale. So, but yeah, that's how we work here in the United States. And I've got some good teams, but again, I think there's some people that want to get something for nothing. Sometimes the USA can be a little lazy. I'm going to be honest.
Yes, Larry, how we can show to the people that the BeEpic is the one of the best company and how to make them believe that it is?
Yeah, absolutely. I think again with BeEpic, it's well-rounded. So, you've got so many testimonials out there now. If you look on YouTube about the product, you've got so many testimonials about people making great income. And I think the price point at BeEpic is perfect because, you can get both products for $89. You can start the business for right around $100. And there's people, making thousands and tens of thousands of dollars a week off of that same $100. So everybody's got the same chance here at BeEpic. You just have to share it and promote it. We've all got the same opportunity. And I think that's what draws people, is that price point and the comp plan. All the little puzzle pieces fit together at BeEpic. So we just have to really just share it. That's our job.
Some of our partners, they're afraid to talk to people. So how to get that fear down? Like how to be not afraid to talk to people?
Well, the way that I talk to people, if you don't really want to talk network marketing or sound like it's a network marketing company, I would lead with the product. Because, everybody speaks health. Everybody wants to feel better. Everybody wants to look better. So, if you go along the health lines, you can talk to anybody about their health and about feeling better. So that way you can lead with the product. And what I've seen happen at BeEpic is when they take the product, now they come back and say, hey, I love that little green pill. What do I need to do, Tim, to get it again? And say, well, here, you can order right here on my website. But why wouldn't you do the $19.95 and get your own website? And then when you share it, you can start to earn money. So if you share the product and they love the product, you can stumble them into the business.
Yes, Larry, and one more question is how to recommend the business for strangers, for that people which one you don't know, because they don't trust you, they don't know you, so how you can recommend the business for them?
Well, what I do is I kind of, even on Facebook, I'll look around for people that are maybe looking for a home-based business opportunity because, even in my own life, like personal contacts, there's only, there's certain people I wouldn't even talk to about a residual income because they don't understand it. But, what I do is I'll look around on Facebook or I look around on solo ads, people that are looking to make money from home. I think making money from home is very widespread, but that is a good market to find people because they start to realize, hey, there's only one little product for the day. There's one product for the night. This is simple. If I can start to earn a residual income and spend more time with my family, this is something I think I can do. And then we've got all the websites and the PowerPoints. You can show them that you've got all the tools and the support. And all they really need to do is share a great product that we know already works. And they'll start to earn that residual income.
Yes, Larry, we know that you are a great leader, and we have the question for you, how to make the team of leaders, of that people who will be responsible on themselves, like.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm a big believer in just following up. I also support my leaders, so if somebody reaches out to me, I try to do everything I can to help them because I know when they're successful, I'm successful. And, whatever I can do, that's what I always do. That's why I think, I have a lot of people that follow me because I know I'm going to help them, and I just don't leave people hanging. And I've had, even uplines that did that to me. And that's why when I start with my leaders, they always know that whatever I can do, I'm going to do. And so I just think, follow up with your team, support your team, and just be there for your team, and it'll just get stronger and stronger and stronger, and you guys can be a force.
Do you have any traditional business, like any traditional business United States of America or maybe in other country? And what the difference between BeEpic and traditional business, like if you have the shop or maybe some another?
The only thing I do traditional business is with my twin brothers. So, I mean, we do Hollywood, like red carpets and stuff. And we also do like big events. So we do like we just did the Golden Globes. So we work for big event companies too. So the difference is, it's almost like a 9 to 5. You're getting your day rate. But see, when I'm on my traditional business, I also have to work my network marketing, which I need to be on my phone all the time, so I can get in trouble at my traditional business. So I like network marketing because you're free. It doesn't matter if you're laying on a beach or if you're somewhere around the world. You can use your phone to run that network marketing business. But in a traditional business, if you own a shop or a store, you have to be there to run it and open it and close it. So that's the difference for sure.
Yes, Larry, we heard some information that in February will be the new product in the BeEpic company. So maybe you have some information about what kind of the product it will be.
Yeah, it's going to be later in February, but I know Eric, I just talked with him yesterday. So we've got something that's definitely coming out. I think a lot of people are going to be excited, and oh yeah, I can't say too much, but I know it's going to be good. They've got like a lot of things. I know they just changed the car bonus, so now with the car bonus starting this month, you don't have to have the car payment. It's basically if you have the 4 who get 4, it's $500 cash, which is great. I've been pushing for that, so I'm excited that they did that. But I think a lot of people are going to love the product. It's going to go right along with our other 2 products, so our flagship products. So, but yeah, it'll be good. And I know Eric wants to release some more details this month, so I don't want to scoop him.
Yes, Larry, we have the question about the warehouse in the Amsterdam that we heard before that the Eric and the BeEpic, they was planning to create some warehouse. So what is the situation right now?
Yeah, absolutely. And they with Europe, it's just a little bit complicated because what it is with so many countries based, certain ones like this ingredient or they might not like that ingredient. So there's a lot of paperwork and stuff that they're working through. So that's being worked on. I know with the new product, they're already in the full registration on that as well. So it can go right in there. So that is, the office is there, the office is ready, but they're cutting through some tape and stuff to get the shipping and all that, because you got to work with the different countries and the different rules and every shipping and every customs is different. So we love Europe. We definitely want to get Europe, even bigger. You guys are doing amazing, but yeah, we're working on a lot of that stuff. So I'm excited. I know we got big plans there. Which will help us with Russia as well, our biggest market, because they're a lot closer to ship from there, so there's a double win there.
Yes, Larry, what do you can recommend for that people who are afraid to start the business, who are afraid to be scammed?
Well, the main thing is you really can't be scammed, because even if you try the product and you don't like it, you can get your money back. You got a 30-day money back guarantee. So I always say there's no way to lose, because even if you try the product and you don't like it, you get your money back. You haven't lost anything. But 99% of the time, the people that try the product, they love it. And then they're asking you, how can I get some more? And I start to say, well, I'm actually sharing this product around the world and making a residual income. Can I show you a little bit on the business side? And then you've got them in the business. So, it's the first product ever that I've sent out samples. And I even forget, sometimes I've sent people samples and they call me back 10 days later and say, hey, I'm out of those green pills, I need some more. So it's a really good product to lead with.
Yes, Larry, we know that you're a Hollywood actor. We know that you are doing a great job in Los Angeles, California. And we want to ask you, could you describe about your timetable? How they look like a day of the Hollywood star? What you doing? How many hours you sleeping per day? And what you doing?
Absolutely. I do networking honestly most of the day. So last night Sunday night we did the Golden Globes, and it was great, meeting all the celebrities and being on the carpet and stuff. But I was still, when I was between pictures, I was doing my networking. So, but I get up, I have, breakfast, go to the gym and stuff like that. And then tomorrow we have a filming, an event in Santa Barbara. So tomorrow I got to get up at 5 a.m. and drive to Santa Barbara, do the event, and then come back. And then the next day we've got a photo shoot for a little campaign that we booked, me and my twin brother. So it kind of goes nonstop. And then January 18th, I go to Miami. So I'm going to see Eric for about 5 days. So we're going to do some videos and stuff. So I like being busy, and I definitely am. So that's a good thing.
Yes, Larry, and how many hours you sleep in per day? Like how many hours?
I still get 8 hours sleep every night. I mean, I always try to get 8 hours. So sometimes I go to bed by 10 or 11, but I think I talked to Regina because you guys are waking up right about the time I'm going to bed. So I'm good there. I get about 11 or 12, I get my stuff in and then I go to sleep.
Yes, Larry, and we want some advice from you, like which 3 or maybe 5 steps we should do every day to be successful.
Oh, absolutely. First is always just kind of follow up with your team. You know, I always look around and I'll go in every morning when I wake up and just kind of look at my genealogy and just, you know, kind of look around at the growth and, you know, see who's doing what and just kind of reach out. And, you know, now it's so easy because before all you could do was, you know, email or phone calls, but now you can send a little quick WhatsApp or a Skype and, you know, just kind of give your team that little, I always follow up my team. I always give them positive feedback, see how they're doing. And then I always, of course, you eat your 3 meals a day. I try to go to the gym every day because you want to feel good. If you're feeling good, you feel healthy, then you're going to take that into your business and whatever you're building. So, but I believe follow-up's a big key always.
Larry, and your conclusion about the BeEpic company, like why the people should decide to join this company as soon as possible?
Oh, my cat's in. So I gotta let her out. Yeah, absolutely. You know, I think obviously in February we got some big things happening. So it's an exciting time to get people in. There'll be a new product. We've now, you know, we've now got the car bonus because a lot of our teams in Peru, you know, Peru is third world and a lot of people didn't have that extra money. Maybe they didn't have the car, so it was harder to get the full 500. So that's another exciting thing we've got now. Somebody has 20 people in their team, 4 who get 4. That's an extra $500 a month. I mean, that's life changing. And I think everybody, if you're doing network marketing, most people have had at least a team of 20 in one thing or another. So I think $500 is a great mark where somebody's like, hey, I can actually build on this. And I've only got 20 people on my team. Think when I've got 200.
Yes, Larry, Regina, she just tell the words to the structure. I want to tell personally from myself, I want to tell you that I really appreciate that what you're doing, brother. And all of this is the really powerful calls and all the support. It's I'm really appreciative. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank y'all so much. And again, I'm here. Anything y'all need, I love working with y'all. So thank you.
No. Okay, so we can end the meeting right now. So I think everybody is understand about how to start the BeEpic business. Right now we'll explain some words to them, how they can make the registration and what they should do next to go through.
Awesome. Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Yeah, bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.